Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be learning about how you can edit your photos with 2 easy apps to use from your phone. So the 2 apps we're going to be using today are Snapseed and Focal Distortion. They're pretty easy apps to use. You can just download them for free from the App Store, Android, the Google Play Store, whatever it's called on that one. I use an iPhone myself, so that's just what I'm used to. So basically what you want to do is open up Snapseed, and inside that you'll see that there are some presets already made. You can just click them if you don't want to mess around with it and just skip to the next part. I'll leave a link here to the timestamp. But I don't recommend just going in here and just playing around with some of the tools that you have to offer. So straight away you open up the tools panel, you can see like all the different things that you have here to select. I was like just saying tone image, and then from there you can access the brightness, make it lighter or darker. I'm just going to boost this one a little bit, and then if you click this little 3-line thing with the dots, you can see all the different things that you have to play around with. Your contrast, saturation, ambience, highlights, shadows, and the warmth. I think this one here I'm just going to play with the contrast a little bit, maybe just bring it up a tad bit. That looks good to me. I don't think we're probably going to play around with saturation from there, so I'm just going to click the little tick, and then from now you can just go into the tools again. You can add a little curve. Just a simple S curve is always good. Do something like this. This is something simple, but it definitely boosts it up a lot from what you've usually been looking at. From there, I don't really do too much, but you can always add like a vignette or something like that. The outer brightness, something like that, you can do. It also kind of looks good if you just do like a slight little bit on like a portrait or something like that you're doing, is always looking good. But for this photo here, I don't think I'm going to do it. And all we're going to do is just hit export and save as a copy. So once that's done, save lens distortion. And in here you just select your photo that you want and open it up. So in here you have a lot of things that you can add, like flares, raindrops, fog, anything like that. So if you just look through, you can just look at all the different things that you have to offer. For this one here, I'm just going to add a simple light hit. I like this one here just because of the nice the flare and the orange and the particle things that it leaves around the corner of the light flare. So I'm just going to enlarge that one a little bit, put it in the bottom left hand corner where that highlight is, so it kind of looks like there's actually a light coming through there. And just change the opacity like that. I'm going to leave mine as full as it is. You can affect the brightness, things like that. I'm just going to adjust mine a little bit, make it a little bit brighter. And then from there you can just you can play around all your different effects. You can continuously add different effects, but I'd recommend just sticking like 2-3 max effects. This one I'm going to make it too much. Hit save. You can upload that one straight to your Instagram or anything like that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.